Hey, this is number 3. We are going to be writing your name and learning how to make little programs along the way. And like before, this is a beginner project coder for my Innovative Arts class. TurtleArt has been amazing and so much fun so far. If you can imagine, a turtle has red paint on its feet. What's happening is that you're telling it exactly what to do. He'll start down here. In this case, I'm going to tell him to go forward 200, take a right turn, and do a little arc that has a radius of 50. And this is to make the first letter of my name, which is Peter. Now, if we're going to do something with that, make it so that that P shape is something that is something we can call up. We're going to add this little hat thing. It's in the yellow tab. Put that on top. Here it is. And when you type a P into that shape, now you have a brand new block that's called P. And you just made a custom block that you can pull into your code and you can use any point you want. And so here is a bit of code where I use a set XY, and I'm going to set it over to the side, over to the side of the screen. And a set heading, why would that be a good idea? To make sure that the heading is set straight up before it runs that P code. So this can start to get tricky though. You got to look at your code one line at a time if you ever get confused. A lot of times students aren't using this set heading, and here's what happens is that the turtle is facing, let's say, this way. You tell it to go somewhere, and all of a sudden it's making a P in this other direction. So making the making this an actual turtle art, here's what we have. Here's the code. Here's the call up. It cleans, and then we're going to do just one P shape. To do the next letter, I can pull my code in and put a hat on top of it. The next letter in my name is an E, so capital E. Now I can start building my name kind of right here. The only problem is I need to keep track of where I'm putting these set XYs to try to make sure that the P and the E shape are going where I want them to be. Don't forget, a set heading 0 will always have the turtle facing straight up at the beginning. It's kind of a good idea. And another mistake that students often make is they will have a clean here on each of these. And what will happen is you'll lose some of your work along the way. So make sure that your cleans are only over here on this. You don't need them inside of these anymore. So put a hat on top of your code and have fun with it.